Hi friends, today we are going to be reading in our big reader. We're going to be reading Sam in Class. And when we're reading today, I want you to be on the lookout for those double letters or letter teams like we've been talking about. So remember, let's look in the title really quick at this word class. We see two letters right here that are the same letter, S. Remember, when you have two letters that are together that make the same sound, you do not say that sound twice. You say the sound one time. You would not say Sam in class. You would say Sam in class. So as you look through this page, you see more double letters. Here's two S's right here. Remember, CK is the letter team that makes the same sound, the K sound. S's again. Down here we have two L's. You would not say o, you would say o. Bell, will. So keep your eyes peeled for those letter teams as we read. Like usual, I will read you the story first. You will read the story with me next, and then you'll pause the book to read the story to a parent, brother, sister, somebody who's working with you. Here we go. Sam in class. Sam sits in Miss Mack's class. The kids will print till class ends. Then the bell will ring. Sam will run and jump in the pond. Here you can see in the illustration, he's dreaming of running and jumping in that pond. Next page. Miss Mack has the class print, the kids print black cat. Miss Mack checks Sam's print. That's a mess, quips Miss Mack. Fix it. The bell rings. Sam jumps up and grabs his bag. Miss Mack tells Sam, sit and print. Sam sits and prints. Will Miss Mack let him swim? Sam can't tell. Miss Mack tells Sam, print one last thing. Print splash in the pond. Sam grins at Miss Mack. Miss Mack grins back at him. Sam prints splash in the pond. Then Miss Mack sends him off. Sam yells, Miss Mack is the best. The end. So let's go back up to the top and quickly answer a few questions. So if we're looking at who the characters are in this story, we know that Sam is our main character. That's who the story is mainly about. And then we also know another character is Miss Mack. The setting of the story takes place in the classroom. And if we're talking about the series of events, the beginning, middle, and end of the story, the main details, then we know that in the beginning of the story, Sam is in class and he's printing. He writes very messy, and his teacher makes him rewrite it. He's unsure if he's going to get to go swimming or if he's going to have time because of this work that he's having to do. And then eventually, whenever he finishes writing, she tells him to splash in the pond because she's telling him that he's good to go and he can go play. So let's read this together this time. We're going to go slow and we're going to read it together. And then next time, you're going to read it yourself. Here we go. Sam in class. Sam sits in Miss Mack's class. The kids will print till class ends. Then the bell will ring. Sam will run and jump in the pond. Miss Mac has the class print. The kids print black cat. Miss Mac checks Sam's print. That's a mess, quips Miss Mac. Fix it. The bell rings. Sam jumps up and grabs his bag. Miss Mac tells Sam, sit and print. Sam sits and prints. Will Miss Mac let him swim? Sam can't tell. Miss Mac tells Sam, print one last thing. Print splash in the pond. Sam grins at Miss Mac. Miss Mac grins back at him. Sam prints splash in the pond. Then Miss Mac sends him off. Sam yells, Miss Mac is the best. All right, and now it is your turn to read. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put it on the page, and I want you to pause this video. When it's paused, read the whole page and press play again. So pause the video and read. All right, let's go to the next page. Pause the video and read. Beautiful. Let's go to your next one. Pause and read. Next one. Pause and read. And the last page. Pause and read. All right, my friends, thank you all so much for reading with me. I can't wait to hear how you did and how you liked the story.